guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another makeup tutorial. It's been a while since I've done a makeup tutorial. I think the last one I've done was the New Year's Eve, New Year's Day get ready with me, I believe it was. It has been a while. I am a busy mom. I am a mom of 2 beautiful kids, and I am a wife, and I do have a job. So it's really hard for me to sit down and create content for you guys and actually like do videos and do my makeup. I basically don't wear makeup on a daily basis, but when I do go out, I do glam up. Anyways, let me stop talking about myself and get to the point. Today's video is inspired by Valentine's Day, which is literally like a week and a half away, which scares me because I'm always like behind on buying gifts, but I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one. I'm pretty sure you guys are like last minute, or some of people out there are like last minute shoppers. But like I said, this look is inspired by Valentine's Day. I can't talk. Anyways, this look is inspired by Valentine's Day, and it's also a collaboration with a group of girls that, like I say, a collaboration with a group of girls I'm doing on Instagram. So just make sure you follow me on Instagram at LoveYourGlamour so you can stay tuned for that. And also, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on your notifications so you can be up to date with videos I do post up in the future. So let me just stop yapping and get to the tutorial. So if you would like to see how I created this beautiful Valentine's Day look, then just keep on watching. I already have my brows done, and I'm going to go ahead and start priming my lids. And today I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. All products used for today's look will be listed in the description bar below. Next, using the Perfect 23 eyeshadow palette, I'll be taking that light pink shade. It does have a tint or a touch of purple in it, but that will be my transition shade, so I'm going to go ahead and apply that right on my crease. Next, taking the Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, I'll be taking the fuchsia pink shade right here and applying it on my crease as well, just to intensify it. Don't be afraid packing it on. It will look messy at first, but carving out our lid with some concealer later on will clean up the mess we've done. From the same palette, we'll be taking that orangey red shade and applying it right on top of the fuchsia shade, just to intensify it a little more. Again, don't be afraid packing it up. We will be cleaning it up with concealer later on. Next, using a pencil brush, I'll be taking this purple shade right here and start applying that on my crease as well, just to deepen it up. And this will be as a guideline, so when we do carve out our lid later on with concealer, it will just make it a little more easier. I did go back and forth a couple times just to make sure my edges are nice and blended and the shadow was to my liking. Next, using the same concealer I used to prime my lids, which is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige. Using a flat concealer brush, I'm going to go ahead and start carving out my lid. Again, remember we used that dark purple as our guideline, so I'm just going to start following the purple and start carving out my lid. After carving out my lid with concealer, I waited for it to dry a little, and then I applied the Tarte Tastiest liquid highlighter onto my lid. I did apply that on my lid maybe like 2 or 3 times just to intensify it. And once I've done that, I took the same purple shade with the same with the same pencil brush and an even smaller definer pencil brush just to intensify the purple onto my crease. And once I've done that, I finished my other eye off camera because I knew if I would have done it on camera, the video would have been longer than it already is. Next, to prep my lashes for falsies, today I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, which is my holy grail mascara. And then for falsies, I applied the Little Black Dress by Kiss. Moving on to the face, I'm going to take the Bodescu. I really hope I'm saying that right, but I'm going to take the facial spray, the one with the green tea, aloe, and cucumber in it. I'm going to go ahead and spray that all over my face. Amy, close your mouth. But I'm going to go ahead and spray that all over my face. And then once that dries, I'm going to go ahead and take the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer and apply that on my T-zone area. Today I'll be using 2 foundations. The first one is the Wet n Wild Photofocused Foundation in the shade Desert Beige. I will be applying that all over my face. Then taking the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation in the shade 757 Golden Tan. I'll be applying that on the outer perimeter of my face. Then I'll be spraying my beauty sponge with some Bodescu. I hope I'm saying it right, guys. The Bodescu facial spray. I'm going to damp up my beauty sponge and blend the foundation together. Moving on to concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium. To set my under eyes, I'm using the Spun Loose face powder and translucent. I'm going to lightly set my concealer, and then with the remaining powder on the brush, I'm going to set the rest of my face. To bronze up my face, I'm using my holy grail, which is the NYC Bronzing face powder in the shade 720 Sunny. For blush, I'll be using the Classic Blush Palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'll be mixing the 2 middle blush shades on the top and bottom row. Apply that on the apples of my cheeks and lightly dragging it up to my temple. To highlight my face, first I'll be taking the Tarte Tastiest liquid highlighter and apply that on the highest points of my cheeks. The name of the highlighter will be listed in the description bar below. Then I'll be taking the Wild and Radiant Illuminating and Bronzing palette by BH Cosmetics and mixing 2 shades out of the palette and apply that right on top of the liquid highlighter just to intensify it, because who does not love to glow? Moving on back to the eyes, I am using the same shades I used on my crease and apply that on my bottom lash line. And again, using the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, I'll be applying some on my lower lashes. Finally, moving on to my lips. To line my lips, I'm using the Jordana lip liner in the shade Coco Loco. And then on top of that, I'll be applying my Holy Grail lipstick, which I use in every tutorial. You guys should know what it is the NYX Matte Cream Lipstick in the shade Sable. And that will complete today's look. I really hope you all enjoyed watching today's tutorial. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and also follow me on Instagram at love.your.glamour. Also, don't forget to stay tuned for the group collaboration I'm doing with a group of lovely girls on the Valentine's Day look, which will be posted on my Instagram on February 13th. Again, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.